let me share all these really amazing things about this beautiful passport faux leather. Actually, it's a vegan leather carrier. So the nice thing about it has a strap here that's just elastic. So again, an extra layer of security to keep it closed. And then on the front it says passport, and then it has the name of the company and a little like got a happy travel message there at the bottom. So it's just embossed in there. And then the first pocket here is actually a zipper pocket. Zipper is gold, super smooth, and it just allows you to put, if you have change in here or anything you want a little bit more secure, you could just zipper it up. And then on the inside here on the left, you've got a flap here, so you can like put your plane tickets or something behind that flap. If you want to put some cash, just tuck that in here. There's 3 card holders, and the whole thing is RFID protected, right? So you have that extra layer of security. And then down here, it looks like 2 little SD card holders down here as well. That's a nice touch. And then a spot for a pencil or a pen right there. And then the pocket for your actual passport to go here. And then a little ID slip right there. So it really is everything that you could possibly want to carry. So it's all secured together. Just pops closed like that. Again, you put your elastic over it. It's so minimalistic, looks really nice, keeps all your documents in one place. Again, it's a really handy travel feature for when you're traveling and want to do so in a little bit of style and organization.